Hello, future investors. Welcome to Crypto Key ABC, where we break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand strategies, especially for you newcomers venturing into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving headfirst into the 5 essential investment strategies that will be the wind beneath your wings in the crypto sphere. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, these strategies are your blueprint for navigating this dynamic market. This isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building a solid foundation for long-term financial success in the crypto space. We'll cover everything from diversifying your portfolio to managing risks like a pro. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to unlock the secrets of smart crypto investing. Now imagine this. You're at a carnival, and there's a game where you can win a huge teddy bear. You get to throw one dart at a board filled with balloons. Would you put all your money on hitting just one balloon? Probably not. You'd spread your chances, right? That's diversification in a nutshell. In the crypto world, diversification means not putting all your money into a single cryptocurrency. It's like having a safety net for your investments. Think of it like this. Bitcoin is like the big, flashy roller coaster. It can go really high, but it can also take a steep plunge. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like a reliable Ferris wheel. It offers a smoother, more predictable ride. And then you have smaller, newer cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins. These are like the bumper cars. They can be a wild ride, with the potential for big gains but also higher risks. By spreading your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies, you're essentially diversifying your risk. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't use just one type of material, right? You'd use bricks, cement, wood, and metal, all working together to create a strong and stable structure. That's what you want for your crypto portfolio, a mix of different cryptocurrencies that balance each other out. Now, diversification doesn't completely eliminate risk. Just like having a diversified investment portfolio in the stock market doesn't guarantee profits. But it's about minimizing potential losses. It's about not having all your eggs in one basket. So if one investment goes south, you don't lose everything. Remember, diversification is your best friend in the crypto world. It's about spreading your risk and giving yourself the best chance for long-term success. So do your research, choose your cryptocurrencies wisely, and build a diversified portfolio that can weather any storm. Let me tell you, the crypto market moves faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why staying updated with research is like having a superpower in this game. Imagine trying to navigate a new city without a map or GPS. You'd be lost, right? That's what it's like trying to invest in crypto without doing your research. You need to know what's happening, why it's happening, and what it could mean for your investments. Think of research as your crypto compass, guiding you through the ups and downs of the market. It's about understanding the technology behind different cryptocurrencies, the teams behind them, their potential applications, and the overall market sentiment. Now, you don't need to become a blockchain whiz overnight. Start with the basics. Understand what blockchain technology is and how it works. Then dive into the specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Read their white papers, follow credible crypto news sources, and join online communities to learn from experienced investors. But be careful, not everything you read online is true, especially in the crypto world. There's a lot of misinformation and hype out there. Stick to reputable sources, cross-reference information, and don't believe everything you read. Remember, in the crypto world, knowledge is power. The more you understand the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. So make research your daily ritual. Let's face it, investing in crypto can feel like hopping on a roller coaster blindfolded. It's thrilling, but it comes with its fair share of risks. But hey, the good news is you can totally manage those risks like a pro. Think of risk management as your seatbelt on this crypto roller coaster. It won't prevent the ride from being bumpy, but it'll keep you safe and secure. It's all about understanding the potential downsides and taking steps to minimize their impact. First things first, you need to wrap your head around the idea that every investment comes with risk. And the crypto market, my friend, is known for its volatility. Prices can swing wildly, and what goes up can come down just as fast. One of the golden rules of risk management is to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Seriously, consider it your mantra. The crypto market can be unpredictable, and you don't want to risk your financial well-being on a gamble. Next up, diversify your portfolio. Remember our chat about not putting all your eggs in one basket? Well, that applies here big time. By spreading your investments, you're less likely to be wiped out by a single bad bet. And finally, set realistic expectations. Don't fall for those get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth takes time and patience, whether it's in the stock market or the crypto world. All right, let's talk about starting small. You wouldn't jump into the deep end of a pool without knowing how to swim, right? The same goes for crypto investing. You don't need a fortune to get started. In fact, it's smarter to dip your toes in first. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You wouldn't hop on a Harley Davidson for your first ride, would you? You'd start with a smaller, more manageable bike, get comfortable with the basics, and then gradually work your way up. Starting small gives you the chance to learn the ropes without risking a significant chunk of your hard-earned money. You can experiment with different strategies, see how the market reacts, and gain confidence in your decision-making. Plus, when you start small, you're less likely to make emotional decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and FOMO, fear of missing out, when everyone's talking about a particular cryptocurrency skyrocketing. But when you've only invested a small amount, you're more likely to think rationally and make calculated moves. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful crypto portfolio. Starting small allows you to build a solid foundation, gain experience, and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Imagine walking into a store and buying a fancy-looking watch, only to find out later that it's a cheap knockoff. That's what can happen in the crypto world if you're not careful about the platforms you use and the information you trust. In the world of crypto, where scams and misinformation can lurk around every corner, choosing trustworthy sources is paramount. Think of it like choosing your crew for a treasure hunt. You want experienced sailors, not landlubbers who can't tell a map from a napkin. First and foremost, when it comes to buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrencies, stick to well-established and reputable exchanges. These platforms are like the Fort Knox of crypto, providing secure storage for your digital assets and facilitating transactions with high levels of security. Next, be wary of those insider tips or guaranteed returns you might come across online. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check information, especially when it comes to financial advice. Instead of relying on whispers and rumors, turn to credible sources for your crypto news and insights. Think of it like choosing your daily dose of vitamins. You wouldn't grab a random pill from a stranger, would you? Stick to established financial publications, reputable crypto news websites, and trusted industry experts. And there you have it, your crash course in smart crypto investing. We've covered the importance of diversification, staying updated with research, understanding and managing risks, starting small, and using reputable sources. Remember, the crypto world is like an ocean. It can be calm and serene one moment, then stormy and unpredictable the next. But by applying these strategies consistently and cautiously, you can navigate those waters with confidence and set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. And hey, feel free to share this video with anyone who's ready to dive into the world of crypto. Until next time, happy investing.